So what's up guys, welcome to CSS tutorial, and in this class we will see how to give a shadow to your text. Okay, so first of all I will give a header h1 and I will say this is my website, and if suppose I want to give a shadow to this header h1, I will give the name of the element over here, and now I will make use of the text shadow. Okay, so I will say text shadow, and then I will be giving two parameters, which is first I will give the 2 pixels, and again I will specify the 2 pixels over here, and I will be getting now the shadow to my text, which is from the top, from the position of the text it should be 2 pixels down and 2 pixels right. Okay, so this is like it is moving the shadow from the top to the bottom, positioned at 2 pixels, and this is moving the shadow from the left to the right position 2 pixels away. Okay, so if I'm just saving this, let me just go to my desktop. If after execution of this code you will see the meaning. Okay, so now this is the text and it got some shadow. If suppose I want to change the color of the shadow, I will say yellow, and now you will be able to distinguish the shadow. Okay, so now I'm getting the yellow color shadow over here, and now if suppose I am changing this to 5 pixels now, and after that this shadow will be pushed to the right hand side. Okay, sorry, it is going to the it is moving vertically towards the bottom, and if suppose now I am giving this as a 10 pixels, it will be moving the shadow towards the right direction. So now it will be moving in this direction. Okay, okay, so as you can see it is going to the right direction, and now if I'm just saying this to 20 pixels and saving and refreshing this. Okay, so this is how we can specify the position of our shadow. Okay, so now if suppose I want to make my shadow look a little bit blur, then I'll be giving third parameter over here. Okay, so and that third parameter will be specifying the blurriness of my shadow. So I will give the 5 pixels blur, and let me just refresh this. Okay, so as you can see now my shadow is blur because I've given the 5 pixels value. If I'm saying 10, then it will be getting even more blur. Okay, so as you can see, this is how you can make your shadow blur, and you can even change its color. And now what I'll do is I will come over here and I will create one division, and to this division I will give the class as div1, and inside of this I will make use of this lorem. I will say lorem 30, which will basically create 30 words, and I will go to my style, and I will style this dot div1. I will give the width as 50%. I will give the height as 500 pixels. Okay, so I will say 500 pixels, and after that I will give the background color to my block as yellow color. I will save this. Let's see what output we are getting. Okay, so this is the block what we have got. Now if suppose I want to give shadow to this block, then I will make use of the box shadow, and this also takes the parameter in a very same way. I will say 5 pixels, then 5 pixels, and I want green color border. Okay, I will save this and I will refresh. Okay, so now it's going to be seen I'm getting this border, and now if suppose I want to move it to the right hand side, I will increase the value and it will be going to the right hand side. As can be seen, it is going to the right hand side, and I want to make it 5 pixels blur, and yeah. Okay, so this is how you can give shadow to your box, and you can even change its blurriness. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about shadows.